Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. In this video, I'm bringing you behind the scenes on a maternity photo shoot. For the full gallery of images and all the gear used, check out the description box below. But before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free photography video possible.
A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain.
Now, there's a few things to keep in mind when it comes to photographing the bump. So what you want to do is, it's going to depend on the garment, but most likely your client's going to be wearing a dress of some kind. So one thing is, you can see here, is it okay if I kind of like touch and adjust? So this piece of fabric is hanging right over the bump. So what you could do, and a lot of the dresses that your clients are going to wear usually have some kind of waistline like this, where there's an elastic underneath the boobs. So what, Kayla, you can do is kind of shimmy it up under the boobs. Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. If we tuck it underneath, there we go. We're just having a bit more of a fold, which then is going to emphasize the bump. So then when you're holding the bump, I'm gonna have you put your hands all the way underneath. Yeah, beautiful. Like this, so gorgeous. And then when we have it where you're kind of cupping the bump with one hand over, you're gonna rest it right under the boob. Yep, and then slide it as far back as you can. Yeah, perfect. And then if I'm shooting from the side, I might even have your hand, instead of being in the center, come more to the back. Yep, beautiful. And then we might adjust from there. Okay. But it's all about creating shape when it comes to maternity. So if I'm in the photograph Kayla straight on and her hands were on her waist or emphasizing another part of her body, then the bump isn't highlighted and it could just look like your client is wearing a flowy dress rather than they're pregnant, right? Those are my key things when it comes to maternity. Take your time, give your client a lot of wiggle room. All that being said, let's get started. Perfect. Gorgeous. Let's have you turn actually straight on maybe. Yeah, beautiful. So another tip I wanted to say is you can also, going back to the tucking the elastic under the bust, you can even have your client like put it up under their bra, and then that's going to be able to hold it the whole time. The way that this dress falls is so nice for maternity. I will have it linked down below for you guys. I know they have several colors and also non-maternity version. I just think it's so good for photos. Okay, so I'm gonna have you turn ever so slightly towards me. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, just a little bit, perfect. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Lift your face nice and tall for me. Okay, I just have to show you how gorgeous. Whenever you are doing a client session, you want to show your client the images as early on in the shoot as you can. So maybe within the first set or so, just to give your client that reassurance that they are looking great, to give them that boost of confidence to move forward with the session. Kayla. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your photography business. From navigating a difficult client situation to an extra set of eyes on your newly launched Squarespace website, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.